where you can relax and learn English in a simple way.
I'm Maya.
And I'm Neil. On this channel, we help you learn English using simple English and easy English conversation,
This is perfect for beginners.
especially A1 and A2 learners.
You will learn daily English
Build your vocabulary,
and improve your English speaking and listening. Not textbook English, but real-life English.
so you can use English in real situations.
So, Neil, what are we learning today?
Today, we are talking about daily routine using the simple present tense.
Oh, grammar?
Yes, but easy grammar.
Okay, I'm a little nervous.
Don't worry, we'll keep it simple.
Good. Before we begin, we have a small request for our listeners.
If you enjoy this episode, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with a friend who is learning English.
It really helps us. Thank you so much.
Now, let's talk about why daily routine English in simple present tense is important.
Yes, your daily life.
Imagine someone asks you, "What do you do every day?"
And you say,
You know the words, but not the sentence.
yes, that happens.
That's where simple present tense helps.
Okay, sounds important.
Very important.
Let's learn.
Let's go. So, Maya, what do you do every day?
I wake up at 7.
Good. That's simple present.
That was easy.
Yes, you already know it.
Oh, nice.
Say again.
I wake up at 7.
Listeners, repeat.
I wake up at 7.
Good. Okay, so now let's build a daily routine step by step.
Okay, slowly, please.
Yes, very slowly. So, Maya, tell me, what do you do in the morning?
I wake up at 7.
Good. Then?
I brush my teeth.
Nice. And then?
I take a shower.
Perfect.
This feels easy.
Yes, because you are using a simple pattern.
Which is?
I plus verb.
Wait, Neil, what is a verb?
Ah, good question. Very important question. Okay, let's make it very simple. A verb is an action.
Action.
Yes, something you do. For example, wake up, eat, go, sleep.
Oh, so wake up is a verb?
Yes,
Eat is a verb?
correct.
Sleep is a verb?
Exactly.
Oh, okay, now I understand.
See? Not difficult. Listeners, listen carefully. Verb means action.
Something you do.
Yes. So when you say, I wake up is the verb.
And in I eat breakfast, eat is the verb.
Perfect.
This is actually simple.
Very simple. So now let's continue your routine.
Okay, I wake up at 7.
Good.
I brush my teeth.
Nice.
I take a shower.
Perfect.
I eat breakfast.
Excellent. See? I plus verb again and again.
Yes, same pattern.
That's why it's easy.
I like this.
Good. Keep it simple. Let's build a routine, Maya.
Okay, Neil. I wake up.
Then?
I brush my teeth.
Good.
I take a shower.
Nice.
I eat breakfast.
Perfect. See? One pattern.
I plus verb.
Exactly.
What about he or she?
Ah, small change. For he, she, we add s.
Oh.
Example, he wakes up. She eats. He goes.
Just add s?
Yes,
Okay, not scary.
not scary at all. Let's practice slowly, Maya.
Okay, Neil.
I wake up.
He wakes up.
I eat.
She eats.
I go.
He goes.
Perfect.
This is easy.
See? You can do it.
Yes. So, Neil, I understand these daily routine sentences with I wake up, I eat, I go.
Good.
But what about not? Like, I don't do something.
Ah, very good question. So when you want to say not, we use do not or don't.
Can you give an example?
Yes, I wake up early. I don't wake up early.
Oh, so we just add don't?
Exactly.
Okay, let me try. I eat breakfast. I don't eat breakfast.
Perfect.
That's easy. But Neil, where is simple present here, Neil?
Good question again, Maya. This is still simple present because you are talking about your daily life, what you do or don't do every day.
Oh, okay. So don't is also simple present?
Yes, exactly. Listeners, repeat. I don't wake up early.
I don't drink coffee.
Very good.
Okay, but Neil, how do we ask questions?
Good. Now we move to questions.
Slowly, please.
Always slowly, Maya. Use do you.
That's it?
Yes, very simple. Example. Do you wake up early?
Do you drink coffee?
Perfect.
So, where is simple present here, Neil?
Good question again, Maya. Wake up. Drink. These are verbs, so it is still simple present.
Oh, same verb, different structure.
Exactly. Now answers. Yes, I do.
No, I don't.
Very easy.
Very easy.
Listeners, repeat. Do you wake up early?
Yes, I do. No, I don't.
Okay, let's try a small conversation, Maya.
Okay, I'm ready, Neil.
Do you wake up early?
No, I don't.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, I do.
What do you do every day?
I wake up at 7.
Good.
This is simple.
Yes, very simple.
But Neil, can I ask something?
Of course.
How do I remember where to use simple present tense?
Ah, very good question. Let's make it very easy. Simple present tense is used for daily habits and routines.
Daily habits?
Yes, things you do every day. For example, I wake up at 7. I eat breakfast. I go to work.
Oh, things I do again and again.
Exactly. Not one time, but every day or regularly.
So, my daily routine is simple present?
Yes, 100%.
Oh, now I understand.
Listeners, listen carefully. If you talk about your daily life, you use simple present.
Simple rule.
Very simple rule. Listeners, say it with us. Daily habits equals simple present.
Daily routine equals simple present.
Good.
So when I say, I drink coffee every morning, that is simple present.
Yes. Perfect example.
And I go to work every day.
Also simple present. You're doing great.
Thank you.
See? Not difficult.
Not scary.
Just think, is this my daily habit? If yes, use simple present.
That helps a lot.
Good. Now let's try again.
Okay.
What do you do every day?
I wake up at 7.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, I do.
Perfect.
This feels easy now.
Okay. Now your turn, listeners. Don't worry.
No pressure.
Just say small sentences.
Very small.
Start like this. I wake up at.
I eat.
I go to.
I sleep at.
That's enough.
That is already English.
Yes.
You are already speaking.
No need for big grammar.
Just simple present.
I plus verb.
That's it. But, Neil, is simple present only for daily routine?
Ah, good question. Not only. We also use simple present for General facts.
General facts.
Yes, things that are always true. For example, the sun rises in the east.
Oh, that is always true.
Exactly. Water boils at 100 degrees.
Science.
Yes, scientific truth.
Okay, interesting.
Also, permanent situations.
What is that?
Things that do not change easily. Example, I live in New York.
Yes, that is my life.
Not just today, but always.
Oh, I understand.
So now we have 3 uses of simple present tense.
3?
Yes, daily routine,
Yes.
and also general facts
Correct.
and permanent situations.
Perfect. That's a lot.
But still simple.
I like that.
Me too. Remember, you don't need big grammar.
Just small sentences.
I wake up, I eat, I go.
The sun rises. I live in.
That's all simple present.
Oh, now it's clear.
Good.
And don't worry if you make mistakes, listeners.
Yes, mistakes are okay.
Just speak.
Every day.
Before we go, listeners, write one sentence in the comment.
Yes, one routine, one fact, or one thing about your life.
Keep it simple.
That's enough.
Thank you for listening.
Keep practicing.
Keep speaking.
And in the next episode, we will see how we can use simple present in real conversations and common questions.
Oh, that sounds useful.
Very useful.
So don't miss it.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.
Goodbye.